Hi friends, in this video we're going to go over the Clips app. The Clips app is a great intro video editing tool. So it allows you to create um, short clips that you put together in longer videos. You can do videos of yourself, use pictures that you have or have taken, and I think kids as young as kindergarten could do this with a little help. So we're going to dig in. This is available on iOS, so iPhones and iPads. I believe the app is still free, and it's a really fun tool, even whether you're doing it for like a project or you're doing it just for fun. So the Clips app looks like this little video camera in the top left corner here. Once you have it, hello. It starts out on the camera, and there's three features of the camera at the top here. I'm going to go through these buttons on the right-hand side. The lightning bolt is the flash. It turns the flash on or off. The round circle allows you to take a picture right within Clips. You can also use pictures from your photo gallery, which I'll show you in a sec. And then we've got the front-facing, rear-facing camera button here, the round arrows. There we go. And then the big red button is the record button. You press and hold it as long as you are speaking. And when you release, then it stops recording, and then that finishes your clip. And then the star allows you to add different effects to your videos. And then the last button down here allows you to grab photos from your library or posters that are part of the Clips app. So let's go into some of the effects here. They have different filters, different like photo filters, video filters that you can add. So depending on your feel that you're trying to create, you can choose a different filter if you think that is helpful. Live titles, this lets you turn on closed captioning for your video. So I'm going to do that just so you can see what it looks like. Then we have text boxes that you can add. So when you look at the text boxes or little text tools here, look at the format or look at the way they look, not the text, because you can change the text. I'll show you here. So if I want to put hello, and then I can move this where I want it in my video. Now, right now, I'll show you that in a sec, but there's stickers and emojis that you can add to. So I have live titles on right now. I added a text box. Let's record something real quick. Hello, welcome to the Clips app. So now I have my first clip down here. When I play it, you can see the text at the bottom that was added using the live titles tool. So one thing you're going to have to do if you don't want it on every single clip that you do, you're going to have to turn it off on the next one that you do. So right now I'm going to go ahead and turn it to none so I don't have that. You'll notice this hello text box kind of floats around with me. What's on there is it's tracking kind of where the camera is going. So you can disable the tracking if you want it to just stay in the same spot, or you can leave it if you like it floating like that. You can kind of make it's up to you, but you can kind of move it where you want, put it where you want. I'm just going to delete it for now. So that's the text and the live titles. And so here I have my first clip. Let's go to the photo gallery, and we're going to pretend we're doing a video on velociraptors here. So you select one, click add. I'm going to do preview and record. And you'll notice it's off of my screen right now. What Clips does allow you to do is it does allow you to rotate your iPad now. It didn't allow that before. So, whoops, I got rid of the picture. It didn't allow you to do that before, but now you can. So I'm going to add that again here. But you can pinch to zoom in or out. So depending on the size picture, you'll want it to be able to fit your screen. And now if I want to record with this velociraptor picture, then I can press and hold the record button. This is a velociraptor. It is terrifying. So then I have, you can see in the bottom here in my kind of storyboard, I have the second velociraptor, the second clip there with the velociraptor in there. And so I can, if I want to rearrange these, you can just press and hold to rearrange them as well. So let's look at posters real quickly. Oops, sorry, I did posters. Posters, again, like the text tool, you're looking at what it looks like. You're looking at the color, you're looking at the font, not the actual words. So some of these have a video kind of animation to them. Others are just text and background. So some of the ones that have animation you will have to download, but the ones that don't, you can change the text and you make it to say what you want. Now you can record. Now if you don't want the sound, I'll show you how you can fix that too. So if you just want this as the beginning slide, I'm recording here and then I let go. Now I'm going to press it and hold it and put it at the beginning here. Now when I tap on it, there's different things that you can change with each clip. And so no matter what one you click on, you can have all these different options. The effects are the same things that I showed you before. The mute button, that's where you can silence your video. So if you only want it to be a picture or a short animation, you can silence it so there's no sound. Delete, that's if you need to redo that clip and try it again. Trim, that allows you to cut off the beginnings or ends of your video or extend it a little bit. And then you have the split, so you can split your clip into 2 clips instead of 1. So that one, you just choose a spot where you want to clip it and click split. And then we got duplicate, that just makes a copy of it. And then save clip, if you've created a totally awesome clip that you want to share with all your friends, then that's what you use save clip for. So those are all the features real quick. There's a few more buttons I want to show you. Top left here, this shows you your different projects that you're working on. So you can have multiple projects going at once. Top right now, this one allows you to set the aspect ratio for your video. It only used to allow square, but now it changed to 16:9 and 4:3. So you can do portrait or landscape, and or you can choose square too. The little music note here allows you to add music to overlay your whole video. So you can add music from the Clips soundtrack. This is another thing that you would need internet for to be able to download them. But you can choose one, and if it's got a check mark next to it, that's what it'll do is it'll add it. Get out of there once. So then it'll show you, you can preview it, what it sounds like as it's playing. Once you find one you like, or if you don't want any, just select none down there. Click done. And then the last step is saving and uploading your project. So that's the bottom right button there. And you can save your video. You can upload it right away to whatever different sources you have on your device. And that's pretty much it for Clips. It was a quick kind of whirlwind tour. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you have fun using Clips.